Welcome to GooeyTrade and the MatchTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at basic charting on the MatchTrader mobile platform. To get a full screen view of the chart area, click the Expand button. You may zoom in and zoom out by using two fingers on the screen. You may also view charts in both vertical and horizontal mode. The toolbar is located here, and you can change time frames from 1 minute to 1 month. You may change your price display from candlesticks to line. Click here for the crosshairs and the statistics for each candle. Graphic tools are available like Fibonacci and trend lines. Tap on the graphic and you may change the color and thickness here, manipulate the lines, and delete here. We will have a separate video on MatchTrader graphics. As well, we will take a more detailed look at indicators in other videos. You have a huge variety of indicators, including Bollinger Bands. Once an indicator is in place, you may click here to reconfigure it or delete it. You have moving averages where you can select the period, type, color, and line thickness. You have oscillators where you may configure and set the colors and line thickness. And delete here. Settings where you can elect to display the grid and your open positions. You may slide your finger across the screen to look at previous price action or backtest. And use this forward button to return to the present time. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade MatchTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on MatchTrader.